If your waves are forming, but they're not connecting, this video is for you. You may have ripples, you may have waves on one side, but your pattern still looks broken. And most people just think the issue is that they're not brushing hard enough. But the real reason why your waves aren't connecting is not what you think. Your wave connections don't just come from one session. They come from pattern training, hair length, consistency, and crown control. So if one of those is off, your waves will remain separated, no matter how much you brush. So let's break down the real reasons why your waves aren't connecting yet. Reason number one, your hair isn't long enough. A lot of beginners expect connections in the ripple stage, but ripples don't connect yet. They form first. Connections need enough curl length, pattern memory, and repetition. If your hair is untrained, your connections literally can't lock in yet. Just keep this in mind. No length, no depth. No depth, no connection. Reason number two, and I say this a lot, your angles aren't consistent. If you're changing your brush angles every day, every session, your waves are literally gonna fight each other. This is what causes forks, breaks, and even patchy sections. Connections only form when your hair is trained in one direction repeatedly. This is why it's important to understand your pattern, learn your angles, and master them. Random brushing, random pattern. Reason number three, your crown isn't isolated. One of the biggest things that could ruin your connections is your crown being off. If your crown is off, your waves can't meet properly. Right now, your crown might look like a big swirl, or you may just have a line in between your crown, and that is disrupting your pattern flow. A lot of people feel like they have two crowns, but usually it's just that you haven't isolated the real one yet. If you're having this issue, the way to go about it is just focus on the one that is more noticeable to you and work around that. The crown is the anchor of your whole pattern. Reason number four, this is a big one. You're overloading product. Yeah, a lot of product will laser hair, but it won't train it. Connections come from brushing plus compression, not products. I can't explain this enough. Products support waves. They don't create them. Reason number five, you restart too often. Every time you cut too low, you erase pattern memory. Connections need time, repetition, and length. If you keep restarting, your waves will never get deep enough to connect. Depth is built over months, not weeks. So to get your waves to connect, focus on consistent angles, crown isolation, controlled length, light products, and daily brushing. You don't need more sessions. You just need better ones. Disconnected waves doesn't mean you're failing. It means your pattern is still training. Connections are earned, not rushed. If this helps you understand why your waves aren't connecting, just subscribe. I make real wave content for beginners and people who feel stuck. Comment down below and let me know how long you've been waving.